Intro hook. Have you ever found yourself staring at your mailbox, anxiously awaiting that elusive credit card offer? You know, the one, the shiny, new piece of plastic that promises endless possibilities. But what happens when it doesn't arrive? Today, we're diving into the mystery of Ally credit card addresses. Let's find out where those little plastic wonders go to hide. Building context. Ally's reputation. Before we get into the specifics, let's talk about Ally. Known for its online-only banking model, Ally has gained a reputation for offering competitive rates and excellent customer service. But even the best banks can sometimes have hiccups. Common credit card issues. Credit card delays can happen for a variety of reasons. Sometimes, it's a simple clerical error. Other times, there might be a problem with your application. And let's not forget the occasional postal mishap. Finding your Ally credit card address. Check your application. The first place to look is your credit card application. Most applications will have a section detailing where your card will be sent. Double-check the address to ensure it's correct. Ally's website. If you can't find the address on your application, head over to Ally's website. They often have a section where you can track the status of your credit card application. Contact Ally customer service. If you're still having trouble, the best course of action is to contact Ally's customer service. They can help you locate your card and resolve any issues. Tips for contacting Ally. Here are a few tips for contacting Ally's customer service. Be patient. Customer service representatives can get busy, so be prepared to wait. Have your account information ready. This will help the representative assist you more efficiently. Be clear and concise. Explain your issue clearly and avoid rambling. Troubleshooting credit card delays. Common reasons for delays. Let's explore some common reasons why your credit card might be delayed. Incomplete application. Make sure you've provided all the necessary information. Identity verification. Ally might need to verify your identity before issuing the card. Postal issues. Sometimes, mail gets lost or delayed. Steps to take if your card is delayed. If your card is delayed, here's what you can do. Contact Ally. Let them know that you haven't received your card. Check your mailbox. Look for a notice of attempted delivery. Be patient. Credit card production and delivery can take time. Preventing future issues. Tips for avoiding credit card delays. Here are a few tips to help prevent future credit card delays. Submit your application accurately. Double-check all the information before submitting. Monitor your mailbox. Keep an eye out for any notices or updates. Contact Ally if you have any concerns. Don't hesitate to reach out if you're worried about your card. Conclusion. Recap. So, there you have it. Finding your Ally credit card address might seem like a mystery, but with a little patience and persistence, you can solve the puzzle. Remember to check your application, Ally's website, and contact customer service if needed. Final thoughts. While credit card delays can be frustrating, it's important to remember that they're often temporary. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of receiving your card on time. Call to action. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to Ally's customer service. They're there to help you. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.